Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and you're watching Soha Meditation. Today, I want to talk to you about the two main reasons why we fail to manifest using the law of attraction. Even though you've tried multiple times, read multiple books and watched tons of videos, but still cannot succeed in manifesting and maybe starting to think that it is fake, this video is for you. My guarantee is that by the end of this video, you would have an absolute clear understanding of what you are lacking and how you can now use this secret principle to become successful and manifest anything that you desire. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Law of attraction is a very hot topic over the years, and most people think that if you keep asking for something in your mind and keep thinking about it and visualizing it, one day you'll receive that. Law of attraction, as it was presented to all of us in the book The Secret, opened people up to new ways of thinking, but it just does not happen the way as it was presented. Like keep thinking about something and it will show up. When people are using the law of attraction, they're using it with limited perception. And when you're using it from a limited paradigm, you cannot often see outside of that paradigm. And it is your paradigm that determines your belief, your behavior, your experiences that manifest into your thoughts, and the same becomes your reality. We all know that thoughts manifest, but the main secret to the law of attraction and manifestation is that you get what you are, not what you want. And you're capable of attracting all things, but you have to be in alignment with your source first. Your source could be your higher self, God, divine angels, energy, whatever you believe in. Put the positive affirmations and vibrations into your imagination. I am happy. I am content. I am fulfilled. I am abundant. Even if your senses tells you that you are depressed, do not put those words into the universe. Because if you say I'm depressed, you connect with the energy of the depression, and the universe or the source will perfectly align to that energy and will offer you more of that. So don't create the thought of what your reality exists. Instead, create the thought of what you want your reality to become, because your thoughts create the reality. So here are the two main reasons that you're not able to use law of attraction in your favor and manifest something that you really desire. Number one reason, you're not radiating the vibration of your thought. Law of attraction only works with the frequency of the subconscious mind. We are all a vibrational being, so when we lift our vibration to what we want to experience, it happens first on a vibratory level, and then only it manifests into our life. You cannot have what you are not willing to become vibrationally, and even if you happen to get it somehow, you will lose that too. So in other words, you're not only attracting it, but you are radiating to it. For example, if you want to win a lottery, you have to first vibrationally align your subconscious mind that you are already a lottery winner and you are abundant in your thinking, feeling, and believing. In your visualization, you have to reach the quantum field, and in that 0 point field, you have to put your intent. I am a vibrational being and I am a lottery winner. I am abundant and I accept it. So be it. That's all. Anything is possible after that. So the key here is to organize your mind to a certain level of organization, that your body, your mind, your energy is all aligned. And once all the four dimensions of you, your physical body, your mind, your emotions, and the fundamental life energies are all organized in one direction, anything that you wish will manifest. Second reason is holding on to old memories and failures. Thoughts are the seeds and our actions grow out of them. Just like the plant comes out of the seeds, the actions we perform, the seeds of those actions are our thoughts. Good thoughts will lead to good actions. Bad thoughts will lead to bad actions. It's that simple. And as I said, our actions have their seeds into our thoughts, and the mind is the factory where we are generating our thoughts. Also, note that it is through our mind that we attract circumstances to ourselves. Our life is a series of situations. Every situation was not how we wanted it to be. There could have been failures, there could have been diseases, there could have been hurt, a failed relationship, or whatever. But it's a past, and if you're still holding on to it, if you're still creating that thought that what if it happens to me again? What if I fail again? What if I try it again but it doesn't happen right this time? So, when you have these thoughts, you're carrying forward your emotions from the past into your present. It's a scene from the past, the emotions of the past, but because you still have it in your mind and memories, you're taking emotions from the past to the present. You're radiating that vibration into your present. Vibrations create reality, and sometimes we believe that the same karmic patterns are coming to us repeatedly. Repeated disease, repeated failure, repeated rejection, repeated betrayal is not because they are doing it, it's because you are feeling it that way. So, when you feel the same vibration, you radiate the same vibration and you manifest the same situation. If you feel different, you will radiate differently and you will create a new destiny. So, stop today and think deeply. If there is anything that you're holding on to believing that it might happen again, and ask yourself, do you want it to happen again? If not, then never create that thought again. Create a thought and record it into your mind that it is past and it's over and will never happen again. And affirm yourself that my present is beautiful, my future is secure, I am the creator of my beautiful destiny. So here is what you say. Dear universe, I am. Fill in the blanks. And whatever you write there would manifest into the reality. Good luck with your manifestation. And so, that's all for this video. Do share it with your friends and family who are also applying the law of attraction. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Any comments or suggestions, please use the comment section down below. I will catch you very soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.